We've got the old axles off in pieces. Got the hitch off. We're going to redo that. Getting this, I'll finish cleaning this up off screen. Here's where the hitch was. We've got a bunch of new parts coming. Got some today, already got some here. It's going to be exciting for us to build this. I'm going to bring y'all along the journey. Welcome back to Markham's Motors. This is part 2 of the trailer build. We are, between me and Leland, we have got this guy sanded down. Excuse the dog, there's a chicken hawk acting up. He don't like chicken hawks. He runs them off. That's okay. We are sanded. We are not going for perfection here. We are going for looking better than what it did. We have upset Lori tremendously. This guy has been our limb hauling, dirt hauling. It's okay, buddy. You got him. This has been our dirt hauling, split wood logs trailer for years, and she's upset that we're making it nice. The idea behind this is an overlanding kayak trailer, and if you've seen some of our other videos, we've got an FJ that hauls 4 of us. The dog, when we go overlanding, its room is tight. We are trying to get a little bit extra room. We've got a Gazelle that I plan on hauling in here instead of on top of the truck. We've got a truck rack that I'm going to introduce you guys to here pretty soon, that we're going to mount to this to put 4 kayaks on. We love kayaking, and we've got the suspension gone. We've got the tongue gone. This guy's down to frame and a few pieces of rusty metal. We're going to clean it, degrease it, get it ready for primer and paint. Then we're going to move it in the shop. Excuse my mess back here. That guy broke down right where he sits. There's a video on how to fix a starter on that coming up. But anyway, I got another video out where we did the underside of this just to try to preserve it the best we can. I like taking old stuff and making it new. We started looking at trailers and stuff to take. None of it really kayak related. It was more overlanding and camping and haul your stuff in this. I need something kayak related, and this stuff's costing $5,000 to $8,000. Yes, I'm spending a pretty penny for us. We're poor, getting this guy to where he can overland, because it literally, this is where it's sitting now. We're about 18 inches. It didn't sit that high off the ground. It sat about maybe 10 inches off the ground. It had a cross member frame welded to the frame, and that's it. That was all the suspension this guy had. That ain't gonna cut it overlanding, I know that. So we're gonna fix all that up. I'm gonna introduce y'all to the suspension we're going with, the tongue setup we're going with. I think it's gonna be an awesome rig when we get done. First thing I'm gonna do is Purple Power. I've got some Gain and soap and water mixed up. I've been sanding, and this thing sit out here a few days while we work on it. We're gonna get a good degreasing on it. All right, y'all get the idea. Ain't gonna bore you. We'll get this done, get it dry, and we're gonna start getting with it. All right, guys, we're gonna use a little Herculiner on the bottom of this gate. Don't know how many times it'll get dropped down, maybe for loading bicycles or something like that. Don't even know if we're gonna keep it, but for now, if I do drop it, I want it to be protected. We'll see how this holds up. I think instructions say do a light coat, then come back with a heavy coat. All these edges are fun to hit. Buddy Leland here, Fit Filming, has our tape job complete. Okay, second coat, heavy.